Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back your own class organized by School of School Amal Kapur. See students, today we are going to study the chapter number 9, next topic, that is curve. I hope you solved the yesterday's exercise, but I have not received your mail ID. So you need to solve and send me the your homeworks very soon as possible. Okay, now see the curve line. A small child, 1 or 2 years old, will draw the curve lines like this, as you also see in observing. So any figure draw at this stage without the losing the contact of pen and pencil with the paper is called curve. Okay, like this. So a curve is generally presumed to be not straight by the definition. We can say that the straight line is not a curve. Okay, straight line are not curve. So let's say these are the simple curves are here. Okay, in the any direction, the curve figure is like this. This is also the straight. So okay, this is also curve. Curve means what? The any shape which is made by the lines. Okay, simple curve. What is the simple curve? In the given examples, simple curve is a curve that does not cross itself. See, this is the simple curve which is not cross itself. One third and fourth are above the represent simple curve. One third, see, this is one, then second and third, they are not cross. Here the line which is cross itself, this also cross itself, so this is are not simple curve. So understand curve. In that curve, the figure, a line which is made by the, okay, and that line may be the in this way or straight line. Okay, so they both, but simple curve is the curve in that they are not overlap. Okay, and here is overlapping is there of line, it is called as not simple curve. Okay, now there is next two types of curve is, one is open curve, second is closed curve. Open curve means what? Which is not closed. See, this is like this example, this is open curve, then this is closed curve. Okay, so like this. So these are the open. Okay, the curve whose end points is not same as starting point is called as open curve. It means whose end point is not starting point. See, this starting point, here is end point. Okay, starting point, end point, starting point, end point. And closed curve, a curve which end and starting points are the same, where the started is called as curve line. Okay, curve lines do not cross themselves are called simple curve close. Okay, so these are the closed figure, and that is closed curve. In that is starting point and closing point is also same. Okay, so this is simple closed curve. Why it is called as simple closed curve? Because these are the closed figure and they are not crossed itself, that's why it is called as simple closed curve. And these are the also closed curve, but they are not simple. Why? Because they are overlap itself. Okay, so these two figures, see, this figure and this, these are the open, they both are this open closed curve. Sorry, closed, simple closed curve, it is simple closed. Okay, not overlap, and they're simple. And here is, this is also simple. Okay, it is not a simple. Why? Because it is overlapped. So that's the difference is there. Closed curve, there are two types. First is simple closed curve and another is not simple closed. Okay, not closed but not simple. They are closed but not simple. Closed figure hai, but they are not simple. Why they are not simple? Because they are overlap. Understand? There is open figure and closed figure. Closed figure में two types है. One type is simple closed and another is what? Only closed, not simple. Not simple closed. Simple closed and not simple closed. In simple word, simple close means they are not overlapping etc., and not simple close means overlapping is there, and that is closed. So let me see that boundary of the curve. This is the called as boundary of the curve. Okay, on the line is called as boundary. Interior of the curve means inside part of that called as interior of the boundary के अंदर का जो portion है, it is called as interior part of the curve. Exterior part, outside the boundary, whatever the points are there, that is called as exterior. See, this is called as simple closed curve. So this is, this points, point A on the boundary, these are the boundary. Okay, point B and point C and point D, they are in what? Interior of the curve, inside में. Okay, and outside, exterior means outside part, E and F, they are in outside. Okay, so outside also infinite is there, and inside also infinite point we can draw, and on boundary also infinite means we can draw the points on the, okay, on boundary, inside and outside we can make infinite point. That has to be understood. Region of the curve, interior of the curve along with the boundary is called as region of the curve. What is the region of the curve? See, first is boundary. See, region means what? Region is equals to boundary along with the, see, curve along with the boundary. Okay, the interior part of the curve, interior plus boundary. ठीक है, कर्व की बाउंड्री एंड इंटीरियर. सो रीजन, ऑन रीजन हाउ मेनी पॉइंट्स आर देयर? पॉइंट ए बी, they are on the boundary, and interior what? C and D. Understand? All 4 points on the region, on the region of this curve. ठीक है. Next part is that angle. You know, my dear students, when 2 points are two vertex, two rays join like this, then it form a angle. Okay, first ray, second ray at one common vertex, so they are called as angle. Okay, next is vertex and arms and angle. See, this is called as vertex where two, their origin is same of two rays, that is called as vertex. This is vertex, this is arm, and this is arm. Okay, these are the arms. Okay, and the angle, the distance between these two arms is called as angle. Okay, distance between two arms, this is called as angle. Distance between two arms, say I am changing the angle. See, distance between two arms, it is called as angle. Okay, now we can rate these angles. Angle CAB, angle CAB, or angle BAC, or angle B. These are three ways we can read the angle. Okay, naming the angle also we understood. See, here is for example like this two angles which is there. So in that one vertex is common, they are called to be adjacent, neighborous angle. Okay, here is the example, you can see. So see, angle, if we make such an angle AOB, so here vertex is O, arm OA is the ray, and OB is the ray. Now angle, this is the symbol of angle, angle AOB, angle AOB. Next another name is angle BOA, and one word angle is O. Okay, these are the three names of angle. Now let me see the its interior, exterior, and boundary. Okay, boundary of angle means what? This is on point, this is suppose this P, point P and point Q are on the boundary. Okay, okay, boundary of angles. See, in this diagram also given A, B, C, these are the boundary. Interior part means inside part, point X is interior, point Y is in exterior. Okay, so like this interior exterior part which is the same as. Okay, region is what? Region again same, the boundary of the angle along with the interior part, it is called as region of the angle. Means what? This completely, this complete is the region. P O. Okay, boundary. Okay, boundary, which points are there? P and Q. On interior part S and T. Interior part, in the interior part of triangle, which points are there? Point S and point T. Exterior angle, suppose we put here point Y and point Z are in the exterior. And now fourth is that region. and region is what? The interior plus boundary. So interior and boundary it togetherly is region. Okay, so what is that point? P, Q and ST, they are on the region of the triangle. So this thing as you understood. Now let me see the question exercise 9.2. So what is that? So students, exercise 9.2, first question is simple closed curve. You have to draw this figure of simple closed curve. Second is simple open curve. Third is a curve which is open but not simple, and fourth is a closed curve which is not simple. So their diagrams are here I have mentioned. Question number one. Question number one first, which is the this figure. That is what? A simple closed curve. This is simple closed curve. Second is that here in this type. A simple open curve. This is simple open curve. Third is curve which is open but not simple. This is open but not simple. It is overlapped itself. Okay. And fourth is what? A curve closed which is not simple. See, this is closed curve, but it is not simple. Why not simple? Because they are overlapped itself. So understand, not simple means cross. Okay, this is like this, and but it is open. It is cross but it is closed. Okay, it is closed curve. That has to be understood. Now question number 2, classify following the curve simple, open, closed, and as per that you have to do it. You can see the answers are given also back side. Okay, question number 2, once you try to solve it, if you don't get it, then you can see also cross check from the back side. 9.2, then you will understand it well. The simple open curves are 4, 5, 9. Then second, third, 8 and 9. Okay, so in this way. Next is how many angles are open each of the following below. Okay, how many angles? That angle A B C, angle A C B, angle B C A. See, on each vertex there are two names of angle. See, angle A vertex is out, angle BAC, angle CAB. Now B has also 2 and C also 2. Okay, one side this and this side like this. Here is also, here total how many angles we can write? We can write 6 angles. We can write here 8 angles. We can write here more angles. 1 2 3 1. Okay, like this. There are so many names are you can write. Try to find. Name 5 angles for each of the following. See, name the 5 angles. 1 2 3. Angle X B R. Then angle R B P. Then angle PBC, then angle CBX. Okay, so 4 we are written. Now we can write XBC, XBP. Yes or no? RBC. Understand, this complete one angle. So there are so many angles we can give the name. Its reverse also we will calculate. Like for example, XBR we can write as angle RBX, and it's also same way. So try to solve, very easy exercise it is. Okay, see, next is question number, on the straight line draw, and can you draw form as well as. Okay, you draw these two questions. And then question number 7, in lying on the interior AOX line in the interior. So P and L, okay, lying on OA, M and R, these are point. Lying on OB, point K and point K. Lying on interior of AOB के इंटीरियर में पॉइंट H and point E. Lying on the exterior of XOB. So which are the angles? They are mentioned here. Point H, E, H, L, P, and there R and M also. They all are on E. Okay, in the given figure write another name for angle 1. Angle 1 another name is EPB. Okay, EPB. to PQC, or we can write EQC. Angle 3 DQF. Understand? So in this way we will try to complete this exercise in your notebook. All the best, stay home, stay safe. Tomorrow we'll see the polygons.